Not every travel trailer is built for people who actually love to cook. This one is. Meet the all-new 2026 Forest River Wildcat 221 Chef. Designed for entertaining, hosting, and enjoying the process, not just the destination. A true chef-forward layout with an open, spacious feel, upscale finishes, and room to prep, plate, and serve like you're at home. Whether you're cooking for friends, hosting campground dinners, or just enjoying a quiet night in with a glass of wine, this trailer delivers a high-end residential vibe in a towable package. This is luxury, space, and functionality without the luxury price tag.